Good morning everyone. My name is Bhavesh Kumar. I am a student of BCA College batch to 5th semester. Today I am here to deal with a topic of advanced Java which is JTextArea. As we all know that JTextArea is a component of Java Swing package, and we use Java Swing package to create a graphical user interface application through Java. JTextArea is a component which is used to create a multi-line area for plain text. So JTextArea allow users to input or display a multiple line of text. If we want multiple line of text through users, we will use JTextArea inside our code. Now we will understand the constructors, some constructor of JTextArea. First one is that JTextArea, and this is a parameter. I have not given any parameter, so it will create an instance of JTextArea with empty text. There will no any text inside our text area. Second one is that I have provided the string. I have provided the text inside the parameter, so it will create a instance with the specified text. It means that there will be a text inside our text area. And the third one is that I have provided the value of rows and columns in the integer format. It will create an instance of JTextArea and with a specified size whose value will be rows and columns. Now we will understand some of its method which we use to create it. First one is that setText method. SetText method is a method which is used to set the text inside the JTextArea panel, a JTextArea component. So we will provide the string value in the parameter. It will set that text in our text area. Second one is that setSize method. It is used to set the size of our JTextArea. The size will be our width and height. Whatever the width and height will provide, the size will be set. And the third one is that getText method. GetText method is a method which is used to retrieve the text from the text area. Whatever the user has input in the text area, we can easily retrieve that text from the user through getTextArea function and getText function, and it returns the value in a string format. So here I have used a string data type. Now we will understand it with a code. So to use JTextArea, I have first imported the three components. First one will be frame component, second one will be panel component, and the third one will be text area component. And after that I have created a text area class, text area demo class, which is extended through JFrame. It means that our text area demo class will use all the methods of JFrame. And in that I have created an instance of JPanel and instance of text area, and I have created the constructor of our class, and I have created here an object of JPanel and the object of text area. And we can see here that I have used a third constructor, which is in that I have passed the integer value. So here I have passed 5,20. It means that the number of rows will be 5 and the number of columns will be 20. And I have added our JTextArea component to the panel. And after that we have to add this panel into our frame. So here I have used a setVisual method. setVisual method is a method of JFrame class which is used to make our frame visible on our screen. So here I have passed the parameter true so that our frame will be visible on the screen. After that I have used the setSize method of JFrame, which is used to set the size of our frame on the screen, which is 500 into 800. It means that width will be 500 and the height will be 800. And as I said, I have added the panel onto the frame. Now I have created a main method, and in that main method I have created the instance of text area demo, which I have created the class previously, and I have created the object of text area demo. Thank you. This is how we can do. Now we will understand it with our code. Here is all the codes what I have seen previously. All this is here. Now we will run this code. First of all, we will copy the class name. We will go to CMD and then we will type Java C, which is Java compiler, and paste our class name .java. So here our text area demo class is compiled successfully. Now we will run this code by Java and our class name. So here we can see that this is our frame whose width is 500 and the height is 800, and here I have created a J text area. We can clearly see there is a 5 rows and 20 columns. Now here we can input multiple lines of input like my name, class, etc. This is how we can create, we can use JTextArea in our JFrame. Thank you.